Assalamu alaikum. Here's the construction update for this week. The carpenters are working on the flat round dome accents in the ceiling, and they are also working on ceiling grid at the upper floor. The electricians are continuing with lighting at the lower level and also installed all the wall sconces at the upper level. The AFP fire protection is working on sprinkler heads in the drop ceilings as they are finished. The land developer was here to seed, mat, and straw the entire site. The plumbing contractor is working on water lines and the last few connections above the ceiling of the upstairs bathrooms. The tile contractor completed the lower level bathrooms and one of the upper level bathrooms and is planning on working over the weekend and will have all the bathrooms completed by Monday. The quartz and granite install will be done next week. Please continue donating as much as you can and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.